Hello, today we're going to go over how to uninstall a mobile app from your Android device, whether that's a phone or a tablet. This is especially useful when you're troubleshooting persistent app issues on the Android that stick around between a normal uninstall and reinstall. In this process, we're going to be removing just the app, but all of the app data. To do that, we want to go through the Settings app or into the App Info page. To get there, we're going to tap on Settings, tap on Apps. All apps, we can search for the app that we want to uninstall. I have Otuvy Frontline and Otuvy QM. We're going to do this process for both of them. QM, if needed, we can force stop the app. Before we tap Uninstall, we're going to tap Archive. That's going to get rid of all of the app data on the device. We're going to tap on Uninstall. Thing for Otuvy Frontline. Force stop if necessary, archive, and uninstall. I have Otuvy apps, so let's go to the home screen, jump back into the Play Store, and reinstall. Reinstalled, we can then jump in and get stuff done.